We already talked about this. What do you think?
For me, why this guy is not working right now is he himself is saying मुझे बेचना है. मुझे
Yeah,
बेचना है.
है.
So again, the point that we were discussing के you can't sell tickets to people. You just can't sell tickets. वो ticket के पीछे एक experience होना चाहिए.
Makes sense.
Like if a person is giving a rupee, ठीक है, but he will always think कि मुझे कुछ 100 रुपए की चीज देखने मिलेगी. So always sell the experience. If I'm telling this guy, like sell the experience, and if your main motive is like मुझे सिर्फ टिकटें बेचनी है, तो I think
नहीं हो पाएगा.
You need to change the whole
Yeah,
mindset here.
See, what I believe ki again, since we're talking about social media strategy, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but the ultimate thing is you have to give people, you have to tell people what do. You have to, you have to write your pieces and put it out in front of people for free. I respect that you're an artist, you don't want to put your content for free, you want people to pay some price to listen to you, you want people to value it, but people won't value it until you show them. And that's the thing, because we live in a world of free, man. Like everything, social media is free.
And
Like you are an artist, let's say, what do? You write, you sing, whatever you do. But if you're saying us to pay something to you without you showing us what you are, we're not going to do that.
True.
We have so many options. We'll just go to YouTube. If you're in a mood of listening to music, we'll go to YouTube and type something and listen to music. We don't give a shit about who you are.
That is true.
Unless you give something.
और
It's a
ऐसा भी
world,
नहीं है
man.
कि पैसा नहीं मिलेगा. देखो, अगर तुमने पीस डाला फ्री में, YouTube पे डाला, and it goes viral, suppose. YouTube पैसा दे रहा है ना तुम्हें.
Yeah.
YouTube पैसा दे रहा है ना तुम्हें. And yeah, the audience needs to know you as a person, and your material is what is that connecting point.
Yes.
क्योंकि तुम्हारी audience कभी आके तुमसे मिली नहीं है. So तुमने एक मटेरियल डाला and they know के this person talks about this, so उसका दिमाग ऐसा होगा. They perceive an image about you.
Yes.
So it is only after they've perceived an image that they'll come for your show, na?
Exactly. And also one thing, why are you thinking about selling tickets
Exactly.
for your piece? So what I believe, an artist never sells tickets for a piece. Piece is always for free. Artist तो अपने interaction और backstory की tickets बेचता है भाई.
Mainly.
If this guy is here, he has made some piece and he's done an incredible job, you will still want to go to his event and talk to him कि अच्छा इसके पीछे story क्या है? What was the...
That is true.
Because that's what we want to see in live events. Why do you want to see live when everything is available on internet? Live is connecting stories and things.
True.
So coming back, like summarizing entire thing in one, let's say one line, it's start putting out content for free. Keep doing it until you reach at a point where people ask you, okay, what's the story behind it?
Right.
How are you? We really appreciate your thing. Do you have any time to answer? And then you can start telling them, okay, I'm doing so and so show at this point.
Right.
And they'll come.
But then
They'll
just
love it and genuinely come.
don't put out all your material out, of
course.
Like अभी I put out Cycle, I put out शायद वो प्यार नहीं है. उसके भी on like
But you have to
उनके
give
जोर पे
chunks,
हाँ,
like,
I
again the point is
got a
chunks,
few
हाँ.
events जहाँ पे ये दो piece तो मैं सुनाता ही था. Like they have seen it on YouTube, they want to see it live
New.
also. उसके अलावा मैं एक third piece देता था.
They want to see
Yeah.
this live, plus they want to see something new as well.
Yeah, so you give them something new that's not on the internet. That is, of course, but first give them something
Yes.
to perceive an image about you.
So let's say if you're an artist who you want to do a live event where you talk for 10 minutes, put out first 2 minutes on YouTube.
Right.
Let them build an opinion over you, and then they'll come to your event.
Exactly.
So give, my friend, give, and then ask for money. That's the
जब
thing.
तक देगा नहीं तब तक तो
मिलेगा
मांगेगा
नहीं.
कैसे?
So yeah, give first.